Hey V riders, so today I'm going to do a quick review on the Givi XS319 tank bag. It fits onto the Givi tank ring. It's fitted onto your fuel tank. It's obviously with the Tiger 900 I'm quite limited as to what tank bag you can have because of where the key is. Most tank bags overhang and make it difficult to get your key out of the ignition. So inside, I mean, it is a compact tank bag. There's not much room in it, but it does come with a waterproof cover. I've not needed to use it in the rain. It's held up reasonably well so far. You can get a bottle of water in there, and I'll keep my charging cables and visor cleaner. Yeah, so you're not going to get masses of stuff in there, but it's fine for basics. Fitting, let's try and close it one-handed, a bit difficult. So it fits onto the tank via the tank lock system, and it's fairly simple. It's literally just a click. There you go. As you can see, that's really secure there. It doesn't get in the way of the controls. Got it just set just right, and to release it, it's literally put on that and it comes off. Yeah, it's a really super simple system to use. Fitting the tank lock ring was a little tiny bit fiddly. I think there's 3 parts that I have to line up, but yeah, it's, you know, it's perfectly, you know, it's not a difficult job to do. It's just a little bit fiddly, but yeah, it doesn't get in the way of anything, and it looks reasonably neat even without the tank bag on there. But even with the tank bag on, you don't get any issues seeing your screen or anything. I'll show it from all the angles, and it's actually quite a decent little system, to be honest. It's perfect for touring, to keep all your, I mean, you can keep like your passports and wallet and stuff like that in there for easy access. So yeah, it's good bit of kit, and I highly recommend it, especially for the Tiger 900, because as most owners who've tried to fit a tank bag will know, it can be difficult. But yeah, you've got enough room here to take your key out, and even if I mean, if you feel it's still a bit tight, I mean, it's literally, you know, tangled up. It's literally one clip, and out it comes, out the key comes. So yeah, it's the easiest system to live with I've tried so far. I had the SW Motec tank ring and city tank bag for comparison previously. That was a little bit more fiddly, and it even on its furthest back setting, it was still foul in the ignition, and you could just about get the key out, but it's really difficult. So yeah, thumbs up to the Givi XS319. Thanks for riding with me. See you on the next one.